Anatomy of central nervous system. Central nervous system is the combination of brain and spinal cord. The brain is the spongy organ made up of nerve and supportive tissues. It is located in the head and is protected by a bony covering called the skull. The lower part of the brain is connected to the spinal cord. The spinal cord contains nerves that send information to and from the brain. Brain. The brain is the body's control center. It consistently receives and interprets nerve signals from the body and responds based on this information. Different parts of the brain control movement, speech, emotions, consistency, and internal body functions such as heart rate, breathing, and body temperature. Part of brain. There are three major parts of brain: cerebrum, cerebellum, and cerebellum consists of following: left and right hemispheres. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is divided into two parts called the left and right cerebral hemiphases. The two hemiphases are connected by a bridge of nerve fibers called the rubus colsum. The right half of the cerebrum, right hemiphase, control the left side of the body. The left half of the cerebrum, left hemiphase, control the right side of the body. Gray matter. The outer surface of the cerebrum is called the cerebral cortex or gray matter. It is the area of the brain where nerve calls make connections called symphysis. The inner area of the cerebrum contains the insulated bodies of the nerve cells that relay information between the brain and spinal cord. This inner area is called the white matter because the insulation around the axones gives it its British appearance. Brain lobes. The cerebrum is further divided into four sections called lobes. These included following: frontal lobe, movement, control, speech, behavior, memory, emotions, and intellectual functioning; parietal lobe, sensations, touch, pressure, pain, and temperature; spatial orientation, understanding of size, shape, and directions; temporal lobe, hearing, speech, memory, and emotions; occupational lobe, vision. Cerebrum. It is the next largest part of the brain. It is located under the cerebrum at the back of the brain. It is divided into two parts or hemiphase and has gray and white matter much like the cerebrum. Its functions include movement, posture, balance, reflexes, complex action, walking, talking, collecting sensory information from body. Brain stem. The brain stem is a bundle of nerve tissues at the base of brain. It connects the cerebrum to the spinal cord and receives messages to brain and other body parts. Areas. It has three areas: midbrain, pons, medulla oblongate. Involuntary automatic functions: breathing, body temperature, blood pressure, heart rate, hunger, and thirsty. Other parts of brain: cerebrospinal fluid. The cerebrospinal fluid, it is clear watery liquid. Its functions included following: surround, soften, and protecting the brain and spinal cord; taking nutrients from the blood to brain and remove waste products from brain; brain control the level of CSF in the body.